Before we start the lesson, think with me, my students. When you write your personal information on a website, like your name or phone number, have you ever thought about what happens to that data afterward? Or when you agree to the terms of an application without reading them, could that affect your privacy? These questions lead us to today's lesson titled, Personal Data and Its Protection. First, the concept of personal data. Personal data is any information that can identify a specific person, either directly, like name or national ID number, or indirectly, by linking to other data such as address, photo, or email. Personal data is divided into two types. Sensitive personal data, such as health status, religion, political opinions, or criminal record. This data requires strict protection because if disclosed, it could harm its owner. Non-sensitive data, such as name, address, date of birth, and gender. This data does not cause significant harm to the individual if disclosed. Second, the Personal Data Protection Law. This law was established to protect people from the misuse of their data, and it specifies how data can be collected, processed, stored, and transferred securely. The law states that personal data may not be collected, shared, or processed without the explicit consent of its owner. However, there are exceptional cases where data can be used without consent, such as if it serves the public interest, or in compliance with the law, or to protect someone's life or property, or to defend rights in court. Third, privacy protection and image rights. The right to privacy is the right of every individual to live a private life without interference from others without their permission, as stated in the Egyptian constitution. Image rights. No one has the right to photograph you or publish your image without your permission. As the image is part of your privacy, and its use in any media or advertising without the owner's consent is prohibited. Imagine with me. Can you find an advertisement on television or online featuring a famous artist or a football player without their knowledge of this advertisement? Certainly not, because this is a right known as the right of publicity. This right protects celebrities from the exploitation of their images or names in commercial advertisements without permission, as it may affect their reputation or economic interests. Now, let's move together to data protection within companies and organizations. Imagine you're dealing with a telecommunications company or shopping online. Does this company have the right to collect your data without your knowledge? Of course not. Therefore, laws have established clear systems to protect you. Privacy policy. This is akin to a written contract between you and the company, outlining how your data will be collected, how it will be used, and what measures will be taken to protect it. Data protection license. No company has the right to handle user data unless it is officially licensed, and this license means it is committed to the laws. Prior consent. Before the company collects your data, you must give your consent, whether by clicking the Agree button or signing a form. Right to object. Even after giving consent, you still have the right to say, "Stop, I don't want you to use my data anymore." In conclusion, always remember that every piece of information about you is a trust in your hands. Do not give it to any application or website unless you are sure it is safe and reliable. Because protecting your data means protecting your identity, and protecting your identity means protecting your privacy and rights.